Backstage with Bubba. This is the great, I got to do this, the great Santiago. And this is David Freeman, who's the big shot of the record label with Keith Anderson. And Larry is the other big shot with the label. So they brought Keith Anderson here to Bushwhackers. And if we turn all the way over here, we can see Keith Anderson on the sound check right here. It doesn't have quite the same effect. Look at Keith. Keith, look at that. You want to have a how?
Hey, Keith, can you give us a how?
A how?
David Freeman again. We just can't get enough of David Freeman because, I don't know, you're just
You have nothing better to do or to talk to, do you?
No. I guess we could pray film Keith because that's the reason we're here is for Keith Anderson. But I have not heard the great Santiago do a how yet.
A how?
Oh,
Look at that.
What was that?
That was nothing. That was nothing.
That was the Asian version.
A how.
Larry, you want to redeem yourself?
A how?
You are in the presence of Keith Anderson up there.
I am, but he can't hear me right now, so.
That's Carl, novice Carl right there. Over here, this is James E. Changa.
Bubba.
James E. Changa.
You want to back off the close-up there.
Jimmy, there's Mona. Say hi to Mona.
Hi, Mona.
Hi, Jimmy.
And here's Teresa. This is Teresa, the new promotion director for KUPL right there. Look at that.
Excuse me, there's no cameras here, please. No cameras here. No cameras.
I'm still running, baby, straight to you to feel the feeling that I do when I'm in your arms and you hold me close. Oh, baby, here I go. I can feel the wind in my hair. We don't have to go nowhere, 'cause baby, I'm still running. One of them girls, turn the whole world around, girls. Wouldn't you know it? I got her eyes on my house, about 100 miles south, out in Poland. Goodbye. My daddy looked me in the eye. He said, "Go, you gotta go, son. Don't forget to call home." And my mother cried. Keep Jesus in your life. We hugged her one last time, and we headed down the road. Start a family of our own, out in Poland.
Let's hear your voice, Maldies.
Goodbye.
Oh yeah, that's good. Is that too loud for you guys?
It's not in this wedge at all. Very little.
Could I get just a touch more of Guitar One's acoustic? Just a touch. You can take